where people are fully vaccinated, adults have gotten those boosters, kids have gotten that first dose, please gather. We are in a place, thanks to this vaccine. It's my number one thing I am thankful for this year.
That's Chicago's top doctor saying it is safe to gather for Thanksgiving if you're vaccinated. Now, this comes as the city gives more than 300,000 kids a day off school, trying to get more people to get that shot.
And let's discuss this with Dr. Geraldine Luna from the Chicago Department of Public Health. Thank you for being with us on this chilly Friday. Go ahead and unmute yourself. You know it always happens on Zoom and especially on live TV. We appreciate you being here. Let's get started. What's your advice for getting together for Thanksgiving? We know it's just 2 weeks away. You're still muted. Try unmuting one more time.
We will wait.
Oh,
there you go.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Well, it's snowing right now, so welcome winter. And if you haven't done so, I'm talking family and friends, folks, if you haven't done so and you're planning to gather for the festivity, please plan to get vaccinated. Family vaccination in Chicago is our priority. Families completely vaccinated don't need to wear a mask around each other. They can hug, they can gather. There is no group limitation. Don't need to get tested or quarantined when traveling. And children don't need to quarantine from school. But if you're planning to mingle with a mixed group of vaccinated and vaccinated, try to keep the group very small with ventilation, using masks, especially if we have 65-year individuals around the group that are not vaccinated. Children that are not vaccinated. So try to keep those small groups with social distancing as much as you can. And there is a lot of benefit if we have our families completely vaccinated by these holidays.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to Christmas because my whole family will be fully vaccinated. I'm excited about that. Okay, I want to talk about the kids getting vaccinated today. We had these big effort in Chicago with CPS closing down so kids could get vaccinated. We don't have the data on who got vaccinated today, but earlier in the week, some concerning numbers from Dr. Ezike saying in Illinois, children who received the doses, that new group of 5 to 11, 67% were white, while only 12% are Latino, 3% are black. What are we seeing in Chicago?
Well, in Chicago, our number is very small, but it's from the group that has been vaccinated, which we're talking about 4% of our 5 to 11. It's recent. We're hoping for a better push on the next week. We already booked for the next following weekends here at our city sites. Well, the group that has gotten the vaccine so far is 4%. We are starting to see those disparities. We think it's a reflection of individuals, of the adults vaccinated, parents, family at home. And for the Latinx community, we have them vaccinated at 2%. We saw African Americans within that number, a small number of people vaccinated, 1%. Our Caucasians, 10%, and our Asians, 5%. It's very, very early to make final predictions, but we hope and we pray that our population understands the importance and the benefits of getting vaccinated and seeing that the holidays are approaching. We want to go back to our pre-COVID times, and we have our communities of color where the devastation of COVID-19 has been so high, and financial, physical, emotional devastation, to get vaccinated so we can leave behind this horrible, horrible, preventable disease.
Dr. Luna, before we let you go, let's talk about vaccine clinics. How successful have they been today, and did children actually show up?
Well, today was working. We were exactly at Michelle Clark High School, where the mayor was getting and the first lady were getting their boosters, and it was working at 82% capacity based on the appointments. People were walking in. They had 20% to receive people, slots open to receive walk-ins. I would call it a very successful event, and more of that information is to come. But as we all know, we're moving into the winter, and again, we want to make that emphasis. Family vaccination is our priority. We're calling to parents to go to their doctors, to their medical homes, pediatricians, pharmacies, wherever they normally take care of your health, and you already have entrusted this individual with your health. And then CPS. CPS has 4 regional clinics right now open to receive. It's a vocational, Roosevelt Clark, Richer High School. They have mobile vaccination, school-based centers, And for more information, remember cps.edu/COVID. In our city, we received everyone,
All
and we're
right.
so excited to have our family vaccinated. We have four big colleges, five big colleges in all our regions.
Okay.
In an equity approach, no ID, governmental ID needed,
So
no status. If you're immigrant or you haven't or undocumented, you're welcome. Refugees are welcome. Uninsured people are
easy.
welcome. These are the population that we're moving to serve, and everybody is working is welcome to come. And the most important thing, we don't want anybody to
Dr.
forget, we
Luna.
have our Protect Chicago at home.
Okay,
All right,
just
thank you
calling us,
so much, Dr. Luna. I'm sorry we got to cut you off, but we appreciate you.
No worries.
Thank you for being with us. All right.